How to generate AI images for free in Microsoft Copilot. In this video, I will guide you to the easy process of how can you easily generate AI images on Microsoft Copilot. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the Microsoft Edge browser and click bing.com. After you search for bing.com, you will automatically see the option of Copilot at the top menu. After you click on it, you will see interface like ChatGPT. Simply if you want to understand Copilot, it's like ChatGPT but which also generates AI free images. Here I typed angels. It also provided me the text knowledge about angels, and if I type the picture of angel, it will give me AI images. So let's see how can we get free AI images. As you can see, as I typed picture of angel, it replied, I'll try to create that, and it will take certain time to create the picture. The speed of the creation of picture might also depend upon your internet connection, so you are suggested to check the connectivity of your Wi-Fi if it is taking too long. And as you can see, it has created the picture of angel for free. You also have the option to save these images. If you want, save all the 4 images, and that's all. That is how easily you can generate AI images for free in Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.